Again. Again. One more. There's sound decibels on it. Not even hitting 90. That's how quiet it is. So we're gonna put a BORLA S-type catback exhaust system on it. We'll let you guys hear it after. 2018 INFINITI Q60 3.0 liter. So we showed you guys what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like with the magic of YouTube, with the full BORLA system installed. There's a BORLA X pipe, then it's got the BORLA resonators there and there, then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. And then it's got the S-type muffler, BORLA S-type there, there, and then it's got the 4-inch double-walled roll tips there and there. And this is the system we cut off right there. There's the muffler, there's the resonators, and that whole system. As you guys see, we took all that off and replaced it. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. All right, guys, 2018 INFINITI Q60 3.0 turbo. What we got done on it, twin turbo actually. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it wires into a single, then wires back out. Then we did a mid resonator delete, and then a rear muffler delete there and there. And we left the factory tips out the back, there and there, as you guys can see. There's the muffler that comes on. It's a big muffler, dual in, dual in, dual out. And there's the 2 resonators that were on it that we cut off also. So there's the muffler, there's the resonators. That's what it looks like after. We kept the same factory tips. They still look good, so he'll probably bring it back later on. We'll change them. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Decibels. Yeah. So compare it to yours. See which sounds better, with the X-pipe or with that? What do you think? Go to back it out. Two. Sexy. Here the turbo's pulling up. That's nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Infiniti Q60 2018 twin turbo. Straight pipes. All-wheel drive too.